Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace, mercy, and blessing be upon all of you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install FEATool or Finite Element Analysis Toolbox in Linux. Before we start, I will show you my system. So if I type neo fetch here, so currently I'm running on Linux Mint 21.1, which is Ubuntu 22, and this is running on my HP ProDesk 400 G2 Mini, which is a mini PC, and this is running with the Intel i5 6500T and Intel HD graphics 530 with 16 GB of RAM or memory. Okay, so before we start, we have to go to our browser and then find FEATool, please, and then click this www.featool.com. double click this. So what is FEATool? So this is actually a physics simulation for you can start this as a beginner and also an expert. So this is actually using some of the fully integrated OpenFoam, which is a CFD simulator for open source, and this is using Phoenix, SU2, etc, etc, and this is also running in Matlab. So you can click here, what is multiphysics? So this is the brief explanation about what is multiphysics. So this is running for multi-solver simulation. So you can run many simulation here, from CFD analysis and finite element analysis and etc. Even if you are working in for building or architecture, you can also simulate the structural stability of your building. See? So there are a lot of things that you can simulate here: structural mechanics, etc., fluid mechanics, electromagnetics, partial differential equation, etc, etc. So you can also run simulation of heat and mass transfer, and also structural mechanics, this, and CFD or computational fluid dynamics, and this is actually running by using OpenFoam. So if you if you install OpenFoam, it runs with the CLI and you do not have a GUI. So this is actually quite good alternative if you want to use this as the GUI of OpenFoam. So see, this is the simulation that runs on the wings of an airplane. This one is for structural interaction. You can run many simulation here. This is Matlab with OpenFoam CFD tutorial. You can open it by yourself, and this is the CFD analysis. I think this is the section of the airplane wings, I think, based on the shape. Okay, and then you can also run the computational electromagnetics and also the partial differential equation. So I will show you how to install this program on Ubuntu derivatives like Linux Mint and other Linux distribution. Okay, so let's start. So to install this program, we will need to go to this featool.com, and then after that just go to this download section here. So make sure you go to this homepage and then click download. Okay, so this is the download page. So this is for Windows and Linux. So if you want to download for Windows, you can just click this, but because currently we are using Linux, so we will download this FEATool Linux install. Okay, just wait until it's finished. So just in case if you already installed Matlab, you can just download this toolbox. But if you do not have installed the Matlab first, don't worry, because in this installer we will download the Matlab and then we will install. Okay? And then after that, open this file. This is my downloaded file here. So what we can do is that we can right click this properties and then make sure that permission, this is already allow executing file as program or has been checked. Okay, and then after that, what we can do is that we can just double click it. Or the other way, you can use this open in terminal, and then after that // and then PE, and then after that click tab like this and then enter. Either way, it's same. It will initialize the installation for you. Just wait, because it will start executing some stuff in the background. Okay, so it seems it started to open up. I think this is the first file that we double click earlier, and this is the second one that we run through this command. So I will close this because I do not need this. Close. Okay, so this is the first one that we double click earlier. Okay, and then after that, what we can do is that we can make this full, and then next, and then make sure that you install this in the directory that can be accessed by your not root folder, because if you install this in USR, usually it will fail because it cannot write the system file or system folder. So what you can do is that usually I will open my home folder and then right click and then create new folder and then name this as FEATool. Okay, like this. So this is the folder that we will install everything here. Okay, so open up this and then click browse. I will show you if I click next, see, it cannot create the user because of the permission. Okay, so what you can do is that you can just go to this browse and then open your home folder, and then find the FEATool that we have created earlier. So this one. Okay, I forgot. Make sure that we need to copy everything before, I mean the name. Okay, so I will close this first. Yes, and then I will start again. Okay, so just go to this FEATool, this one, and then copy this. This is what I mean. Copy this, and then after that, next. See, this one, change this into something like this. Okay, so this is our home folder and our FEATool folder location. So just leave this as it is. Okay, so just change the user / into this, and then after that, next. Same with the Matlab. See, it create new folder here, and then this, change this into this one. Okay, so your home folder, and then after that FEATool. Okay, in my case, because my username is RNA, so okay, and then click next. See, it creates two new folders, Matlab and then precise simulation. Okay, and then accept the agreement, the license agreement. You can read this first, and then next, and then install. So it will download 915 megabyte of. So, and then press install, and then it will start downloading some stuff from the internet, and then wait until it's finished. I will make this video faster, so you do not need to wait until it's finished, because it takes time to download some stuff from the internet. Okay, so it seems it's finished. And then what you can do is that you can just go to this precise simulation, and then click this FEATool, and then go to this application folder, and then after that read the README first, double click it. Okay, and then display. And then after that you can read this, and then this is what you can do, is that you can just run this in MCR directory, and then you can also need to run the sh file first with the MCR or Matlab directory. Okay, so we need to copy this, and then first we need to open in terminal and the folder, and then paste the .sh, and then after that space. And then we need to go to this MCR or Matlab directory, which is located in the same folder in FEATool. So these ones, go to this Matlab, and then don't forget to check this is the version P97 that we need. Okay, so we need to go to this FEATool, and then go to this Matlab runtime, and then until the P97, and then just right click and then copy. And then after that we need to paste it into the terminal, and then press enter, and then we just need to wait until the program launch. Okay, okay, so it seems everything's run pretty well, so it start running. Okay, so guys, everything is running, and then don't forget to accept the license. And then we just need to close this first. And then, okay, I will close this first, because I will show you, before we start, I will show you how to make the shortcut so that it makes your life easier. Okay, so at first I will close everything, because we need to go to the desktop first. Okay, so I will minimize everything. Okay, like this, and then close it. Okay, so from your desktop, right click, and then click the create new launcher here. Okay, like this. And then after that, we need to name this as FEATool. And then after that, for comment, find the sh file that is located in your home folder, and then FEATool in precise simulation, FEATool multiphysics, and then application, and then click the run FEATool underscore multiphysics.sh. And then after that, we need to press space here, because we need to include the runtime location or the Matlab location. Just copy the runtime location or the Matlab location, the fee until fee 97, and then change your icon. The icon is located in your home folder, and then in your FEATool precise simulation, in the application, and then find that icon.ico. So that's the icon, and then double click it, and then OK. And then you need to also add this to your menu, so you can just press yes. Okay. And then after that, what you can do is that you can go to your desktop and then double click the FEATool, or you can go to this menu and then find FEATool like this, and then click it. And then when you click that, it will start initializing the FEATool. And then this is now your life is easier to access the FEATool, because you do not need to type any command again. Okay? And then wait until it start loading the program, and then so this is the program, and then press accept. So now I will show you how to use this program. Okay. Okay, so to use this program, what we can do is that we can just go to this file and then model, example, and tutorial, because the beauty of this program is that it can gives you the overview by using the example. So in this case, I will show you the fluid dynamics laminar channel flow. So if you click this, and then this program will gives you the playback speed, and then it will gives you the overview with the detail, and then also the runtime. Okay, so this is the playback speed that I mean earlier. So in this case, I will put it in the middle and then run this experiment. Okay, so if I click that, and then the program will take over your mouse, and then it will gives you some note, and then also change some stuff. So in this case, it will gives you the rectangle, and then change the parameter, give it a grid, and then make the grid smaller, and then enter the equation, and then you can change some stuff here, and then also it will gives you how to change the constant and also the expression. So this is for the formula, and then after that it will gives you the boundary, and then it will start solving the equation for you. Okay, just follow the tutorial, because it is self-explanatory, and then it's very good for a beginner for us. So in this case, it start to gives you some graphs or solve the problem that it gives you earlier. Okay, so this is the graph. This is the final graph from our first experiment by using the laminar flow. And then I will start with a different one. In this time, I will use the electromagnetics with the surface currents in a circular wire. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. I will start with the new model first, and then after that, I will start again with the model example from the multiphysics, and then with the electromagnetics, I mean, and the surface. So this is the surface current in a wire. So as what we did earlier, the program start to gives you some explanation with the parameter. It start making the circle, and then after that create the grid from the circle and then make the grid smaller or the mesh smaller, and then it will generate the grid, and then it will gives you the equation. And actually you can custom the equation, but this is from the example from the program, so that it writes itself without me interfering with anything or any value. So this is actually from the program. So like the sigma of cuprum and aluminium, and then the sigma, omega, epsilon, everything is written by the program itself from the tutorial. Okay, so this is the boundary. This is using the Newman G or graph GE, and then if it press the solve and then something like that, we just need to follow it. I also don't know what it does actually. So this is the result from the first graph, and then you can also change the value like the sigma and then or something like that, and then it will change the graph for you. So it changed the parameter. See, changing the parameter gives you the different graph. Okay, I think it's finished. Okay, so guys, so that's all from me. I hope that's helpful. So that is how you install the FEATool and also how to use it. It's quite easy for us as a beginner and also for expert, because this tool is actually for simulating our surrounding environment. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if this video is helpful for you. And also you can also share this video for your parents or friends if it can help them to solve their problem. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a comment and write it in the comment what kind of experiment that you want to simulate by using this program. Okay guys, so thanks very much for watching. I hope that's helpful. Lastly, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace, mercy, and blessing be upon all of you. Bye bye.